Spec Summit was really built around the idea of sharing and bringing everybody together, bringing technology partners, academia, clients, and people that are thinking about joining Specright all in one room.
I would highly recommend coming to Summit. You spend a lot of time not just looking, watching the presentations and looking at the demos and things like that, but interacting with other Specright users who have already been where you are.
I think it's a great opportunity for people to come and talk to others and get help on what they're trying to do.
It's not just set it and forget it. You guys are continuously working on making this product better and fit more niches.
Since we launched recently, it's been really helpful to see what else we could add on and what we can look at for future years.
At my company, management really had a lot of pushback on exactly what we're going to get out of Specright, and coming to Spec Summit, learning again what other users are using this for, and then taking that back to make sure that we include that into our management updates to say, hey, yes, we've done this so far with Specright, but we have these future goals too. Look at this cool new added feature.
Spec Summit was also a great opportunity for me to bring several key team members along with me so that they could understand why I'm so excited about the tool and they can experience it for themselves.
As cheesy as it might sound, it's given our global packaging engineering team hope. The old system was just so bad.
Spec Summit is important because people need to know that they're not alone. We look across hundreds of companies, both Fortune 100 and challenger brands, and the challenge is the same. A lot of companies are using outdated systems, but more importantly, they're operating in data silos. It's about how to really work across your organization to drive outcomes and ultimately make amazing things.
The way that the sessions are set up, it's not long, heavy sessions that are hard to understand. It's bite-sized pieces of information to give you insights and get you to think about Specright and your information and your company in a different way.
Using Specright, we've been able to get data that we trust and also get back to innovating, making more food in the kitchen, really having a good time playing around and seeing what else is out there to stay on top of trends as opposed to buried in specs.
There's a whole lot of regulations coming at you. You need this system.